Hi, this is Nancy from Treetops, and we're busting to let you know about a new discovery we made about our silk mesh fabric. You can indeed snip and rip the fabric. A girlfriend of mine, Maud Bath in South Australia, kindly told me about some information that a fabric merchant from India told her years ago. And he said that you can indeed snip and rip fine silk fabrics. So, here we go. First, you need to make a 2 centimeter snip. That's about 3/4 of an inch. And instead of having your hands close, like you normally would, move your hands about 25 centimeters, about 10 inches, away from the snip, and simply rip. So beautiful. At that last little selvedge edge, I usually snip that with the scissors. So there you have it. You can indeed snip and rip an open weave fabric. As for the natural undyed silk mesh, I do recommend still pulling the thread and cutting up the channel. There's a little too much sizing in the mesh to allow it to rip very easily. So unfortunately with the natural, you need to still pull a thread. Thank you.